The Peacock Who Wishes to Fly. Đây là một câu chuyện nhẹ nhàng nhưng sâu sắc. Nhớ xem đến hết video nhé. Vì phần cuối sẽ có một bài học ý nghĩa giúp chúng ta hiểu cảm xúc và rèn luyện kỹ năng sống đó. This is a gentle but meaningful story. Make sure to watch until the end. There's an important lesson that helps us understand emotions and build essential life skills. Peeko the peacock was a kind and gentle bird. Peeko lived peacefully with all the other birds, but he had a dream. Rather than just pecking at the ground, he dreamed of flying to faraway lands. He wished he could see all the beauty of nature himself. But Peeko the peacock couldn't even travel far to look for food. Some birds mocked him. They left him alone whenever they went to look for food. Peeko the peacock thought to himself, "If I am a bird, shouldn't I be able to fly? Why don't I have wings like other birds?" Peeko the peacock thought for a long time. Then he came up with an idea. He would collect feathers from other birds. Quietly, he crept up behind the owl. He plucked a few feathers from her back without being noticed. The feathers were beautiful, long, and dark. He did the same with a parrot. He got beautiful green and yellow feathers. Peeko the peacock even stole feathers from 2 eagles while they were busy eating. By now, he had collected a lot of beautiful feathers. He cleverly wove them together. He carefully attached the feathers to his tail. When he stretched his tail, the feathers spread out like a fan. It was beautiful. The mix of colors made him look attractive. Now, Peeko the peacock was the most attractive bird in the village. None of the other birds had feathers as beautiful as Peeko the peacock. Peeko the peacock was happy. Now that he was the most beautiful bird in the jungle, he no longer wished to fly. The other birds no longer mocked or teased him. They were too busy admiring his beauty. Peeko was happy with his colorful feathers. But was he truly happy? Behind those dazzling feathers lies a meaningful lesson about emotions and life skills. Let's find out those lessons. EQ lesson. At first, the other birds laughed at Peeko. They left him out, made him feel small. But when Peeko became beautiful, they all admired him. People's opinions can change so quickly, so don't let their words hurt your heart. Be kind to yourself, even when others are not. Life skill lesson. Peeko forgot his dream because he was carried away by others' admiration. Don't let admiration blur your dreams. Know the difference between what you want and what others like.